ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Lovely morning that we're having here. We're getting approached by waves and everything. The beach is wonderful.
We're in the Matador Beach in Malibu, California.
That's right.
Work hard, play hard, enjoying life. Kylie, Jenna, I'd love to invite you to the Matador Beach. Let's get into our hot topics for today.
So for our first hot topic, we have Addison Rae wears a barely there bra on the MTV Movie and TV Awards red carpet. What are your thoughts, IK? If you don't know Madison Rae, she's from TikTok and she's supposed to be best friends with Kourtney Kardashian.
Madison Rae is going out there flaunting her curves, flaunting her assets, as we all know. And she's being back in the news, scandalous. She might even be the winner for the She's Hot contest, but we never know. Speaking of the She's Hot contest, it is coming out this Friday, so stay tuned for that.
So put your votes in because we've been getting a lot of votes this week, and stay tuned to see who wins this week.
Exactly, and Miss Madison Rae, let me recorrect myself. She already has some points put in for herself because Dr. Ross and I see that she's scandalous and she's ready to do what it takes.
Exactly.
We're putting your name in the bucket, Miss Addison Rae.
I remember when I lost my mind.
Get to our next hot topic for today.
Exactly. So our next hot topic. So Kim Kardashian, Miss Kim K, just recently bought out Janet Jackson's whole closet and decided to make a museum because she said she was a huge Janet Jackson fan.
Janet Jackson, or Miss Janet Jackson, want to rephrase myself, she has an incredible wardrobe.
Exactly, she really does. It's like a miniature Michael Jackson for me.
Exactly, but her style has really rocked this world and put a lot of new things into the circuit.
That's right.
But with Kim Kardashian, I don't know if the clothes will fit you since you have the bubble, let's say. But Kim, good for you on buying her clothes, and maybe you might even put it into one of your new Kim Kardashian designs.
Exactly.
What was her clothing line?
The Skims clothing line. She might just add it to her clothing line. Something to say about Kim. He was saying that Kim was a wife from hell.
Kanye, get your Kanye East looking self out here. And Kanye West, right now you're degrading yourself. Kim is going up. She's on the rise. Because even though Kim may be turning into Kourtney Kardashian with glasses on, looking across the corner, seeing if you're there all the time, she's still going up. You know where you can get popular from? Kim. So Kanye, sit down.
Exactly.
And Dr. Ross, I have to correct myself. Kanye West was already a big superstar. He was already known before he met Kim.
That's true.
But I still want to say that he was still impressed when he came there and saw Kim with the Rolls Royce and all the cars he ever wanted.
Exactly.
Even the girls' Mercedes-Benz, the small one. But Kanye West, you need some advice from International King, the Black Book.
Exactly.
We'll bring you on down to Beverly Hills. We know you're already in, or you might even be in your, what was the name of this town, Dr. Ross?
I think he bought a little town for Kanyeville.
No one even knows, but go back over to Kanyeville.
My man's is on straight weird shit. Back the fuck.
And Dr. Ross, not Dr. Ross, IK, I just want to say that, you know, for Kanye, since he wanted to be the president, but he stepped out because he was just crying too much, Kanye, since you bought all those acres, those hundreds of thousands of acres in your little Kanyeville, why don't you just be the mayor of your little village?
You're right, Dr. Ross, but the only thing...
Like the movie Chaos Walking, he was the mayor of a little town that there was multiple towns.
The only thing though, Dr. Ross, he's going to have to rebuild and start from scratch. Because remember the last time he had Kanyeville onto something, and then it all got torn down because he didn't have a permit.
Yes, when he was in the weeds and the bushes, Kanye, you need to get a permit. When you get things, you build things, remember to get a permit.
Let's get into our next hot topic with J-Lo and A-Rod.
So J-Lo and A-Rod, they're still together. They're being honeymoon, and not A-Rod, Ben Affleck and J-Lo. And A-Rod was seen with his family and eating out, and he said to J-Lo, you know, it's sad seeing her move on so fast after he's spending time with his family.
A-Rod, you need to stop moping around and stop because you've lost your manhood.
Exactly.
Going out there, eating with your daughter, trying to act like the better man.
Like a gentleman.
A-Rod, do you think J-Lo really cares?
Obviously she doesn't if she's out moving on to the next guy that she can. And not even the next guy, she moved back to an ex from 17 years ago.
And she moved
And
to
drinking.
She moved to the worst one, the Alcoholics Anonymous.
Exactly.
The one who's on
The
all
alcoholic.
sorts of wine.
The worst one. That should really be a downgrade from you.
So A-Rod, you need to go over there and tell J-Lo that you have 10 on the side. Because
Exactly.
right now,
Ask her for the ring back.
exactly, ask her for the ring back. Ask her for a little bit of your investment money back. Because you have to get your manhood back. Right? Because you've lost your manhood. Right now, you need to go ask for the ring back and say that you're marrying a hot vixen. Someone
right.
better.
And I'm gonna agree with IK because A-Rod, right now you're just getting, you're not. It's not looking like the best look for you, trying to be the gentleman, the nice guy, because J-Lo doesn't care, and people are cheering her on for it too. They're saying, you know, that they are so happy that Ben and her are back together. So you might as well just go be scandalous too.
I personally don't like the benefit thing.
Exactly.
And I already
It's
know
annoying.
that. I already know that Ben, you're getting yourself into a predicament. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Miss Universe 2021. Mexico wins, but political social message takes center stage. You know, she really had a really beautiful dress. It flows out, and then she had a bikini underneath. That was really, really pretty. So Mexico for winning. But what are your thoughts on
What? Shorty wanna kick it with the team. What?
Bravo, mi amor. My love for you is mucho. And we want to say one thing too. Miss Universe, it's all about the beauty, the scandal, and not too much political. But if you want to be political, have it your way. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next and final hot topic, we're going to go ahead and mention that Snake Eyes G.I. Joe Origins trailer gives Henry Golding a ninja sword. What are your thoughts, IK?
I was hearing about this. I heard recently that IGN posted the trailer, and I already knew when I saw G.I. Joe that something big was going to be happening. But Dr. Rouse and I, we're going to watch this film the second it comes out.
Exactly.
And you already know.
We will be giving our review and our opinions on the movie with no filter, because that's what the Rose and Gold show does when we find the latest movies.
You can put Dr. Rouse and I in as the latest ninjas.
Exactly.
Because we've already
Martial
got
artists since we were born. So
the black belt.
that's right.
But
Let's close it off, IK.
Let's get into our... Actually, you know what? These were all of our hot topics for today. But we'll catch you guys in the next installment. Kyle each other. With you.
And make
We'll
sure
see
to
you
go
guys.
outside and enjoy the summer breeze. Enjoy
Exactly.
California.
If you're in California, enjoy the beaches.
That's right.
We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.